Hello, hello. Okay, so just if you have a website already, you'll be skipping part of these steps, and I'll tell you when. Assuming you don't have a website and you just want to create a landing page, one solution that I found to be quite, reasonable for its pricing and what it gives you is card with two R's .co. Now, the reason I like this is it's very easy to use. It's very affordable. Like if you just want a few sites for this price, it's nuts, right? Now you just have to bear in mind you have to get this one, $19 for a year, right? It's like less than $2 a month. You have to get this plan because what you need is this right here, the forms, right? So I already have an account, but I'll show you real quick how creating an account looks like. So we'll go over here, we'll sign up. You'll fill out your information here. I'll say Max Gibson, I'll just put, here, let's do this. I have to think of an email I haven't used before. Okay, I don't think I've used that one. If you don't have a password manager, you have to have one. You have to one. It's like, it's a must. Okay, so sign up. Then you'll have to get a verification email, which they'll send it right here. Right, see, you need to send a verification email. Once you do that, you'll click on the link from your email, and you'll have to click on one link here to verify it. And then you'd go to Pro and just get the. I'm sorry, where's the pay? Here you go, GoPro, right? So you pick this option. And make sure you get the one that costs $19, okay? So that's it. So we'll assume at this stage you have Pro, and I'm going to log into my Pro account. We'll continue from there. Okay, so log into my account now. Floating head. Okay, great. We have a bunch of junk going on here, looks like. All right, so we're going to go to new site. And I highly suggest starting with picking a starting site that you like. We'll just pick something really simple just to get started. We'll just go select this one. It looks really simple. Okay. So let's say I want just to show you real quick. It's really simple. It's a visual builder. So let's say I want to add an image, right? Put it right here. I want to upload it here. Let's upload the image. Look for a picture of my mug. There I am. That's actually a flattering photo right there. Accept that. My name is Samantha the Max Carter. Okay, we're just playing around at this stage. Let's get rid of these things. We don't need any of this stuff. Okay, so we assume you have the form by now. You should have watched that video, or maybe I'll link this together. So we're going to go back to our form over here. All right, so let's say we're at home and we built a form. Oh, there it is right there. Let's go click on that. Okay, and then we want to share. And we want to embed the form right here, okay? So standard embed. We're going to get the code. Okay. Here it is right here. So we'll copy with this. I believe that's the right one. We'll double check here in a second. And we're going to add a form, a custom embed here. Go embed right here. This can be inline, I believe. Is this an iframe? I think we'll test it. Okay, we'll paste the code right here. It looks like it's an iframe. Well, let's see it. Let's test it. Click done. We'll click save. We'll call this test page test. Okay, and we could do like a different lesson to go over custom domains and stuff like that. But for nice and easy, we'll just do this for now. So we'll just call this test card 003 because you don't want to use an actually good name. Oh, no, it doesn't accept this. Sorry. Test card 03, publish. And this will take a second. And you see here, now I picked the wrong color, obviously, right? Very poor choice of color. But you see our form, name, email. right? And we'll do a test. Samantha Carter the second, and Samantha at carter.com. Okay. Get your free gift. We'll just verify this form is working fine by going back to here. We go back to the Legion forum to see the submissions. And there it is, Samantha Carter II. So, bam, that's how quick it is. This is super intuitive. Like, it's super easy to use. You don't have to have any tech knowledge to play with these things, right? You just add an element, drag it wherever you want to drag it. And then, oops. No, sorry, you don't drag it. You just click it, and then you drag it. I've used it so many times, I still don't remember that. Then you do all the editing here, right? These are the different variables you can play with. This is the design up here. See, this is the main information. This is a tab for design, appearance. This is for effects, animation. Makes the website look cool. And these are more advanced settings. You rarely have to use these. All right. So, I mean, if anybody wants, we always go into more details on how to play with Carrd and make it look cool. And that's it for this video. Take care.